Have you ever wondered what port number is your application using on your operating system? Let me demonstrate how you can determine both in Linux and Windows platform. The top window here is from Ubuntu, and the bottom window is a command prompt from Windows itself. Let's start with Ubuntu. Ubuntu, you're going to have to use a command called netstat, and you have to use the flag anpe. And if you hit enter here, it will show you a list of all the ports and application that's being listening or being used. You can use this output here and fit it to a grep. Let me clear the screen here before I do any more command. You fit it to a grep, and you want to say, for example, look out for anything that is listening, like that. Now everything in this list is for listening, and if there's any particular port that you are looking for, let's say for example SSH, you're gonna have to grab it to SSH D as in daemon, and you can see from here it's using port 22. That is on the Linux platform. To determine the port number an application is using on the Windows platform is going to be a two-step process. The first step is to determine the PID for the application. To do that, you're going to have to run netstat command with the flag -ANO. What this command does is it'll give you a list of all the IP address with the port number that's being used, followed by the PID number. Let's say, for example, if you are looking for a listening port, you have to put double quote in listening. If you hit enter, it'll give you all the services or the PIDs that is listening. And let's say if you wanted to find port number 135, and you hit enter, they will show you a list of every occurrence of 135. We are interested on this one, this line, and this line here, and you can see the PID number is 1696, but it doesn't tell you what is the process name. To determine the process name, you're gonna have to run a tasklist. If you hit enter over here, it'll give you a list of all the process followed by the PID number. So here you're gonna have to use tasklist space fi double quote PID equal as in EQ 1696, and you hit enter here. It will tell you that the PID number 1696 is SVC host, so which means that the port number 135, this guy here and this guy here, is being used by SVC host.